Do you use eWay-CRM and want to start saving your emails right from your Outlook for Mac? Activate eWay-CRM in your Outlook and make it simple. If you start saving emails into eWay-CRM, you'll keep your team in the loop without CCs or forwards. Also, all communications will be chronologically organized by clients, deals, or projects. Sounds great, huh? To activate eWay-CRM in your Outlook for Mac, click three dots in the top part of the toolbar and select Get Add-ins. Find eWay-CRM and add it. When you've got an email opened, click three dots again to get all options, and select eWay-CRM Online. Then make sure to pin your preview panel, and then you can log in to your eWay-CRM account. If the person who sent you the email is already in your eWay-CRM, you'll find their contact details and communication history on the right panel. If he or she isn't, click this button to save them into your database and make it available to the rest of your team. You can open the contact to get more details, including all related deals, projects, and more. Let me use James as the example because there are already some existing deals and projects. Let me show you one more thing, which is how to quickly save an email to eWay-CRM. It's really easy. Just select an email and click Save Email. eWay-CRM opens a dialog where you can link your email to other items. We will automatically predefine the contact, and you can select deals, projects, etc. When you are done, click Save. Here you go. eWay-CRM is a stunning extension of your Outlook for Mac and turns it into a fully fledged CRM. There is a lot more you can do, such as converting emails into deals, tasks, or projects, opening a list of your deals, etc. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch other videos. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other power users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.